Greetings to everybody. Today I have created a Tug of LEDs circuit. The circuit itself is very simple. Let me guide you through it. Electricity flows out of a 9-volt battery, encounters a 1 kilo ohm resistor, meets a potentiometer. The potentiometer's side pins connected to LEDs, and electricity flows back through to the battery. Let us understand the heart of the circuit. The potentiometer. We are using a 100 kilo ohm linear variable resistor. After electricity flows in, you can turn the knob to let the electricity go one side or the other. We usually only use one pin because you really don't care about the other pin when you're only wanting a small variable resistance for one component. But here we are using two components and taking advantage of that passage of electricity which is free to flow. While one LED is getting dimmer, the other will get continually brighter. Just to ensure that this free path of electricity does not fuse the LED, we have also added a 1 kilo ohm resistor. Just in case you want to recreate the circuit, 1 kilo ohm resistor is denoted by a brown band, a black band, and a red band. This circuit is also known as the brightness distribution circuit in the robotics world. Let us connect it to power and see it in action. 3, 2, 1, begin. As you see, the potentiometer is allowing a passage of electricity to one LED. Once I turn the potentiometer, one LED gets dimmer while the other gets continually brighter, and eventually the second LED takes over. You can continue to turn the knob forwards and backwards to do this tug of war-like motion between LEDs. Hence, I call it a Tug of LEDs system. Thank you for watching.